month, you can scoop up a premium lifetime for $750 and stop paying the 125 per month. That is a no-brainer. Especially if you've been here for 6 months, it's going to pay for itself, at least in the first 6 months of you having it. So that link is also posted in the lounges if you need it. And that is it for right now. So hot stock picks have been posted and Zoom link has been posted. Let me just take another peek at CLIK. It was being held up. Let's see if they gave up on it. Oh, it's still being held up. Would you look at that?
And we're live
So
on all
there's
the things too now, Bruno. Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate
So eye on CLIK. That's your freebie for the day.
Oh, nice.
CLIK.
Yes.
Hot stock.
Back up there on that dollar range again, huh? I like it.
Yes, sir. It's being held up. I like it. Just be careful at the bell. But yeah.
Yep. Nice. Looks like I just got an announcement. Dividend announcement on a yield max stocks. Let's see. Tesla TSLY will pay a dividend of 76 per share on the payable date. Ex-dividend date is 5/15. Payable date is 5/16. So as long as you had stocks before the ex-dividend date, you will be receiving it. Microsoft will pay a dividend of 83 cents per share. Nice job. That's Microsoft as well. Nice. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, do me a favor. Make sure you double tap those screens. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. You guys are over on YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we go live and new videos that come out. If you guys get a chance, if you would, please make sure you guys watch the aftermarket program last night. You can learn how Mark, our futures training moderator, has turned his $700 into $1 million in the last 6 months. That is real cash, not fake prop firm fictitious land of the unicorn dollars. That is real cash. $700 into $1 million off of our futures training and education. You can learn exactly how he did that to become our latest millionaire. That is our 12th millionaire since we have gone live in under 3 years. So congratulations to Mark and everybody over there. If you're interested in futures training, he is right now training them up every day from 8:45 till 4 o'clock in the futures membership. He's also live every day from 2 to 4 if you guys are interested in that. I am also live on here every day. Look at CLIK still staying up there. I am live every day from 9 to 11. I don't know how long I'm going to be here today. Not 100%. I wanted to get you guys through the open. My stomach is jacked. I do not want to be sitting here all day long. So I apologize. If I feel better, I'll stay on. But right now, no bueno. But the show must go on. That is why I am here in the hot seat. I'm in the truck today just to not be sitting at the home office. Another exciting day. We had another $1 million plus day. One of our members, who I won't name, I believe yesterday, I can't remember. Hold on. I think he did almost $1 million. I don't want to, I'm pretty sure it was close to that. But anyways, congratulations to all of you that are starting to find success. Listen, if you haven't found success yet, stick with it. Stick with it. Stay the course. Don't give up on yourself. Right? This is the long game.
Recording in progress.
This is the long game, right? This isn't a sprint. This is a marathon. I want you guys to stay the course. Thank you again. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, if we get to 50,000 likes or 300 concurrent viewers, we will do a giveaway. Speaking of giveaway, if you guys go over to our stock lounge, you will see our giveaway link for $1,000 in 2 weeks. We're giving away $1,000 cash to one of you. Costs you nothing to enter. Literally go over into our stock lounge channel, americandreamtrading.com. Join the Discord, go to our stock lounge. You guys will see that free giveaway for $1,000. This is our way of giving back. So we just appreciate all of you being here. We're closing in on our 3-year anniversary of going live. We've been in business over 5 years, but this will be 3 years live every single day you guys have tuned in to us. So thank you so much. Thank you for making us one of the largest and fastest stock market education communities in the world that I'm aware of. Definitely in the country. We are top ranked in the country for sure. But again, thank you guys so much. Second. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you so much. We appreciate all of you being here. Don't forget, none of us will reach out to you. If you need assistance, we have a full help desk. Go to the ADT free access area, click on help desk support. We will not direct message you or send you a friend request at any time, anywhere. I still get even our own members. Coach, did you message me on TikTok? Never. Never, ever, ever, right? That's just not going to happen. But anyways, everybody do me a favor if you're watching on TikTok, double tap those screens. Is TikTok laggy? Can you guys hear me? Do you have audio? YouTube, can you hear me? Do you have audio? I don't think TikTok has audio. I do not see anything lit up and no one has said a single thing yet. Anybody? Anybody?
TikTok's good.
Yeah. TikTok is good. Let's try it now. Testing 1, 2. Yeah, TikTok shows me no audio at all is going on. Are you sure? Check. Testing, testing. Check, 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 check.
Audio's good, Coach.
It is good. Okay. We can hear. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's weird. I'm not seeing, it's not showing any of my levels on there. Interesting. Okay, well, good, good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Do me a favor, double tap those screens. Thank you for those gifts. Chart and Soul, good to see you. Thank you for those gifts over there. Appreciate you. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Hey, nice. Thank you. Appreciate you. PPI came out this morning lower. The market reacted, ran up. Nice, nice. So prices are down. Prices are down, jobs are up, energy costs are lower, groceries are lower, eggs are lower, gas is lower, housing interest rates are lower. Good stuff. Glad to see all the things are working out. SPY is, as of right now, at 586. 611 will put it at an all-time high. We are green for the year in the market. Tesla hit, what was it, 350 yesterday. So congratulations to everybody who's been trading Tesla. Everybody said it was going to go to zero. That never happened. Congratulations. I saw some fake guru furus on TikTok that were shorting Tesla 3 weeks ago. Absolutely incredible. They should now be bankrupt, and now they should get off of TikTok and stop talking. Great. See you later. Bye. Go sell your snake oil somewhere else. Am I right? See ya. Bye bye. That's the funniest crap I've ever heard. We got us a runner right now. Everybody take a peek at Lobo. 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 Let's take a peek, see if we got some news. Yep, right there. 10 minutes ago. LOBO. Free one for you. Reaches a $6 million agreement to supply 5,000 electric vehicles to the U.S. market. Just popped up. Everybody see it? Lobo. Lobo. 3.7 million volume. 2.5 million float. Oh, wow. And only 8 million shares outstanding? What? Wow. Okay. Interesting. Lobo. We've traded it before because I've got chart on it. Must have been a previous hot stock pick, am I right?
Yeah, I think it was this week, Coach.
Was it? Okay, good. I was gonna say
It's
I've
been
got
recent.
lines. Yep.
Just the other day.
Good. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it hit yep. 2 trading sessions ago, it peaked at 355. Yeah, 2 days ago we saw that run up on the 13th. And now we're getting a run up again. Oh man, this is beautiful. So that, like I said, remember when it hits the hot stock picks, keep an eye on that, right? For a couple days, weeks, and or months. If it starts to create news. Now, this is the thing. Now, we were talking a little bit about swing trading and holding and investments and all the things. Some of the things you really need to be careful with stocks that do things like this is, right, they'll run up, they'll have a couple of news catalysts in a row, it'll drive the price way up. Next thing you know, right, they will release, we're going to release 50 million new shares tomorrow, right? Stock price tanks. It always happens. So this is why I always tell you, right? I'm a big firm believer in making your money and get it the hell out of there, unless it's a blue chip, large company, none of these little runners. I do not ever recommending leaving money, not financial tax or investment advice, ever leaving money in these little pop and drop scenarios. Okay. Now, if you made 90% of your money and you left 10% right inside of there that was free and it didn't really mean anything and you just want to let it run forever, that's different. But I would not be putting my long-term holds and investments into these pop and drops. Just be careful. That's not what we do with our hot stock picks. They are for the same day only. Everybody hear me? Great.
Yes, Coach.
Okay, good. I remember when we first started trading, we got an eye lag and it was running, right? We made so much money. It was like 1,000% runner or something. And then a week later, somebody was like, when do we get out of eye lag?
I have that cup.
Oh my gosh. You do? That's an OG. That is a limited print.
Yep, I have it sitting right there on my desk.
You realize we only released like 3 of those cups? You were one of them. I think only like 3 of those were ever released into the wild. Isn't that funny? You got the
That is
OG,
funny.
man. You should get some sort of award. Moderators, give them a sticker.
Yep, I'm looking at it right now. When do I get out of iLag?
That is awesome.
Hashtag iLag.
We did that.
Pound
Oh, it's
sign.
classic. Thank you for having that. That's glorious. User 8334539877886 says, can you look at AMD, please? Oh boy. 0.61%. Yeah, let's see. I'd want to see this break this 117.50 before I'd be long in that. Got a couple hands up here. Let me get to them real quick. Bassmaster, go.
Hey, so the 2 minute EWO, if we're gonna try to do the 2 minute EWO, does it have to be above BWAP, or would BWAP be a resistance level if it's below?
Everybody in the room. Everybody in the room. Are you allowed to get into anything at all
No,
that
you're
has to
not.
do with 2 minute EWO and you're not above or below like you're supposed to be on VWAP? Everybody go.
No,
Go
you're not.
online, go above.
No.
Thank you.
Don't diddle in the
No.
middle.
Thank you. All
Not
right.
unless you have a long
No
ways to
diddling.
be low.
That's right. Nope. And then yep. And then listen, make sure you are getting training on how to do the 2 minute EWO with a question like that. Make sure you just ask us after or before the market, right? So just not between now and 10 o'clock, but anytime after, and the other 8 hours from 4 a.m. until we go in here at 9 o'clock for this, right? That's when we want
Okay,
to.
great. Thanks, Coach.
Yep, absolutely. Let's start getting trained up on that though. And I've got tons. I've got advanced videos, go in the VIP area. I've got videos inside of the regular on-demand videos for regular premium members. I've got about 60 videos on YouTube if you want to key that in. And then, of course, 12 hours a day. We're in here every day if you guys want to ask those questions. Ask away when it's the appropriate time. Right now, just for the market, though, it's not the spot. Renee, go ahead.
Hey, Coach, I was wanting to know, you got TSLY and some other yield maxes going today. Is today the last day you can get into those?
You're going to be in before X dividend day. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And would you recommend getting in those now, or do you stay in them, or just get in them to get the dividends and get out?
Everybody in the room, not financial tax or investment advice. What are you supposed to do with any of those stocks?
They are a hold and turn on drip.
There you go. Thank you.
Stay in them and drip them.
Thank you.
Okay.
Forever.
I like how everybody's trained to do everything in this room. Am I right? Isn't this is what's beautiful about this? Am I right?
Yes, Coach.
I love
100%.
that. Thank you.
We have a great teacher.
Thank you. You guys are all
Set 'em and
excellent.
forget 'em.
You guys
Couldn't
are all
do it
excellent
without you.
students. Listen, over on TikTok moderators, Dave said, I tried to buy premium lifetime at $750, not available. Yes, it's available. Moderators, please post the link for Dave over in the TikTok, looking for the premium lifetime $750, please. Thank you. Speaking of that, don't forget the last opportunity. Let me kill these mics. Hold on. Last opportunity for you to get our Diamond Lifetime membership for 5K. It is $15,000 off. It is over $50,000 in services. I highly recommend you scoop that up. That is all of our membership services today, and any that I create in the future. Also includes the mentorship program, which is $6,000 a year by itself per year. You can get this whole diamond for 5K. You need to get it now. Let me tell you when I would get it. Right now. If it were me and I was going to get it, I would get it now. That's great. Okay, last chance.
Coach,
Thank
when
you.
would you get it?
Right now. I wouldn't wait
By
till
the way, a little bit,
Yesterday.
little bit off topic. I figured out what the big number was on the screen last night.
Oh, good. Was it like
you-
winning lotto
you're gonna-
numbers?
Yeah, you're gonna love this. So I figured I'd be cool and put Mark's thumbnail for futures behind us as a backdrop.
I saw that. Yeah, I saw and it got the whole thing. Yeah.
It got the whole thing. I didn't Photoshop that part out.
That's all right. It happens. It happens.
Jen's working on that section, by the way. Luckily, it was at the end of the show.
Oh, good. Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah.
Yep.
Make sure you guys check
Coach,
it out.
can I ask a question? Coach, can I ask a question about double top? Sir?
Yep.
Now's not the time for double top questions, but go ahead.
So yesterday you mentioned your favorite double top was all-time high. Not all-time high, sorry.
Previous day
daily
high.
high. Yeah, exactly. Yesterday high, sorry. But so I'm looking at, if you will, the cues. And as I'm looking at the cues, I see like a wick, which would be the all-time high, or one candle. But then I see like 4 or 5 candles just below that. Would you still classify that one candle that got there as yesterday's high? Or would you use 3 or 4?
It depends. It depends. If the bodies are stacked up, the body of it, well, let me look at it. Let me look. No, those are the wicks. There's 3 of them. Yeah, those are the wicks.
Yes, sir.
Right. But you also have to remember, cues are just like SPY. You got to give it 20 to 40 cents. So if it's 519.23, guess what? So you got above that 40 cents and you got below that 40 cents, right? So technically it would be 518.80 up to 519.60. That is your area, right?
Okay, so you would, as what you were saying, okay.
And we get in it early, right? You get in it early if you're going to short it. So go.
Okay. Just questions.
Yep.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yep, you got it. But yeah, just so everybody knows, right? We want to hold off on these basic questions until not when we're about to go live in the hardest part of the day. That'd be cool. Love your faces. We're here literally 12 hours a day for all of these questions, right?
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Hey, Coach, did you say take it now?
Yeah, I would do it right now.
I'll take it.
Okay, thank you. Wait, right? Do it now. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hey, listen, the next 5 people, I'll do it again today. The next 5 people that get the Diamond Lifetime membership, I will give you a free one-on-one with a moderator. That's a $500 value deal. So do it.
Do I get it too?
Yeah, if you just bought it, I'll do it. If you bought it today, yeah, I'll throw it in.
You got it.
Yep, do it now. Make it happen. Don't worry, our moderators will get you.
Yeah, what do I got to go to?
Go over to the stock lounge. You see our stock lounge?
Yep.
If you go to the stock lounge, scroll up. I posted it at 7:32. You see where it says Diamond Lifetime 5K and it shows the checkout link? That's what you want to click on.
Gotcha. All right, I'll take care of it.
All right, partner. If you run into any problems at all, open a help desk ticket or in the stock lounge, say, I need help. Remember, we'll never direct message anybody in this room. We will never send you a friend request. None of that happens here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Right. Appreciate you. For everybody else, we got about 7 minutes to the bell. If you guys want to get in any of our memberships, go to American Dream Trading.
Coach, it's great when you get on Discord and able to click on anything and be able to get in it with that VIP program.
Yes. That's that's why I said great. You guys can go in and out and workshop classes and write the mentorship program and gold breakout rooms and like you can ding, 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 ding. Oh, I'm going to do crypto now. It's the weekend. I got a couple minutes. Oh, I'm going to head on over to futures and see what's going on over there. And oh, they're running a crypto Zoom right now. Boom. I'm in that. Like, it's awesome. I'm not going to lie. It's get it right now.
I let the futures people know, Coach.
Thank you. Yeah, get it right now. We've got the new platinum.
No holdsies, right? Because somebody said it's 2 days too early. No holdsies, or what are we doing?
No, they got to do it now. I mean, now. I don't now. I mean, I've made arrangements with some people. Like I had somebody the other day, Coach, can you hold it for X amount? I'm like, yes, we can. And then yesterday, okay, you can take it away. Like that's why we don't. It's
okay.
Yeah, if we can't be adults, then don't even ask me. It's just silly. You guys are adults. You know your finances. You know what you can and cannot do, right? Come on.
Yeah.
That was great. Thanks for holding it for me, Coach. That was great.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, if you guys, I mean, you guys know me. I'm willing to work with all of you. If some of them, listen, some people are like, can I put it on 4 different credit cards? Yes. We can do whatever you need to do, right? We're like, this is a company. This is an actual company, right? We can do whatever we need to do to help you. I've got other people. Can we make some sort of payment arrangement? I've done all sorts of things to make sure you guys get what you need when you need it. All you got to do is ask. You're an adult. Ask for help. Hello? I need help. Okay. Why do you think we're so successful? Do you guys see me? I ain't scared to ask for nothing. Right? You got to take what's yours, baby. Am I right? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you get all scared like a little child. Well, you ain't getting shit in this world. If you're afraid to ask, you ain't getting nothing. Company headed towards $1 billion in profits is because I talk about our programs for 6 minutes twice a day. If you don't like it, move on. There's plenty of little kids you guys can catch at 2 o'clock in the morning before they go do their day job selling you a $19.99 Discord. I'm sure they'll be more than happy to take your money and they'll draw some lines in there in the morning and talk about absolutely nothing. Okay? Great. All right. 3 minutes. If you guys are interested, again, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys sign up for premium membership starting at $125 a month. Or, of course, right now we've got the OG sale, $750 lifetime regular premium membership. We haven't had that in 2 years. That's what everybody in this room, right, that's been here for the 2.5 years, this is what they all started with. You can do it now. We have not released this in 2 years. I turned that program completely off. This is like our 3-year anniversary sale going on. You guys can get it right now, and I'm shutting it down again. Premium membership, Zoom training, 8:45 to 4 o'clock. Hot stock picks, pre-market setup, IPOs, all the earnings, the videos on demand, all of that, $125 or $750 lifetime. Thank you, Dr. One Fly. Coach, you've helped so many. Appreciate you. VIP, monthly, $500. You get early pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. VIP lounge, workshop classes, VIP training videos, the Trading View Indicators 3.0 that we have now. VIP Gold add-on mastermind classes, 1-hour tech support, weekend training, VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, news service, breakout rooms, Zoom recordings, and the live Apple chat. By the way, live Apple chat is shut down today. I've been every day asking for your help in our community while we're running that beta program. Beta, any of my services can come and go. That is a beta program. I've been telling you guys every freaking day. If you like it, I need to know about it. Nobody wants this. Nobody cares. We don't have it today. Good luck with that. Bye-bye, lights out, game over. If you don't like it, you can head on over there and file a complaint with absolutely nobody because I don't give a shit. I'm the one that did it. Come and see me. You won't like it, I'll show you to the door. Great. Otherwise, if I were you guys, I'd recommend getting the Diamond Lifetime membership. With it, you will get all of our services. Moderators, Viral Vibes wants to know how to get the $750 lifetime right now. Shoot that link over there. TikTok moderators, do you see it? We need to stay on point. A lot of people are asking. I need them links in there. I need you communicating. Get over there. Thank you. It's what we're here for, right, moderators? I got 20 of you standing by. Diamond Lifetime, mastermind classes, 1-hour tech support, weekend training, VIP Gold Lounge, VIP Gold Help Desk support, the news service, the breakout rooms, the Zoom recording, the live Apple chat, when you guys are being a part of the community. The pre-market early access from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, all the VIP training advanced videos, the Trading View Indicators, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPOs, the videos on demand, the futures lounge, the futures training videos, the futures Trading View Indicators, the news service, the Zoom replays, the crypto lounge, the crypto training videos, the crypto Trading View Indicators, the Zoom replays for crypto and the mentorship membership. 5K. Get it? All right, it's rock and roll today. Nobody go rogue. Remember all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account ever. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Small base hits can turn into large trades, so please do that. Have all of your journaling on point. The market is open. Remember, if it ran up in the pre-market, watch for a pullback. If it went down in the pre-market, watch for a pop. Call out the first 2-minute EWO on the first indicator when we see it. Let's rock and roll. Getting a pullback here. So far. Here we go. I'll take it. That's $600 in 2 seconds. Literally 4-second trade just made $600. No, Tiger, none of those videos are for free on YouTube. None of those training videos are free on YouTube. Not a single one that I'm talking about. My videos on demand, none of those are free. These are full training videos. Thank you. None of that crap's for free over there on YouTube. All right. How we doing, gang? Everybody still alive? You all right? Apple 2-minute EWOs in effect? Yes? Okay, great. Is this on? Is everybody here with me? You guys, everybody still alive?
We're on, sir.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, thank
Here
you.
it comes. We got you.
Hot stock, NCN high of the day.
Thank you. Wow, look at SPY is just ripping here. Careful, we're up, getting close to a double top. Everybody see it?
Yes, I was about to say that.
It's getting right there. This is still going. I got in this one a little early. There it goes. There we go. I'll take it. Oh, I got a bad fill. I was up 60, but by the time it filled, it took money from me. Dang it. SPY double top at 586.50. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Everybody be careful. There's that pullback. Just made another $600 on that pullback. Nice double top. Anybody make any money off that? Good job. Still paying. Nice work. Good job. If you're not a master scalper, you ain't doing nothing. You're waiting. Still looking at this double top SPY, double top pullback. Who got in on that? Good job. Good job. Staying up tall, looking to see if this can rebound with a retest. Looking for my next entry. Oh, there we go. It did update. Okay, I'm up 800 this morning. So it wasn't a bad fill. Weeble just wasn't showing me what my P&L was. $800, first 4 minutes, 2 trades. There we go. Getting a push retest here.
Hot stock CLIK breaking $1.
Thank you.
To the upside.
Supposed to be a market order. I have got to fix that today from that set to limit all the time. Let me change that now. Bear with me. Trade. There we go.
I don't like SPY sitting on top of that level right there.
Yeah, that's a pullback area, right? Isn't that resistance game?
Yeah.
Yep, constantly. Till it shows us otherwise, right?
Waiting confirmation.
Yep. Pulling back. Every time on that double top, everybody, right? Scalper's paradise.
It go touch the 9 and rinse and repeat.
That's what it's doing until it shows us otherwise, right? How we
Yep.
doing? How we doing, gang? Everybody make money on that? Constant, right? Thank you. Somebody's getting paid. I like the way you're rolling.
I haven't done anything yet, Coach. I'm kind of waiting for those first few minutes.
I got you.
Big
I
7
am
pulling
listening
back.
and learning.
Yep, that was a nice pullback off that double top. What's my favorite trade in the biz? What is it?
Double top,
Double top, double bottom.
Didn't that pay? Wasn't that the A+ setup? Aren't you locked in now? Wasn't that the most perfect, beautiful trade you've ever seen in your lives? And now you're all excited. Now most of you can go on with your day. You just made all your money for the day.
Yeah, buddy.
Right on, boss.
Right? That's it. I mean, I've made $800 off of 2 trades doing exactly what we trained to do in this room, and I'm done, right? I don't need to trade anymore. It's $800. Am I right? Look at this. Look at the perfect
100%,
double
Coach.
top pullback. Wait for the A+
Absolutely.
setup. Yeah,
Good
A+
example
setup.
of not
Done.
over trading too.
Done.
Take the money.
Done. Take your money. Good job. Spend the rest of your day and train. Stay the hell out of there, right?
Back to the beach, Coach.
Back to the beach. Love it. Good job. Who's made money so far this morning? Open the mics. Just yell it out to the world.
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
have, Coach.
I did, Coach.
Thank you.
And here he is rebounding from VWAP.
Well, what do you know? Where are you trained on that setup?
And
Anybody?
Apple, crank it up.
Anybody?
Look at Apple.
Isn't that our standard issued scalp? Isn't VWAP support, if it's coming down to it, the #1 indicator in the entire world? Isn't that support?
Oh, yes.
Apple, 2-minute EWO. I called that out at the open. How we doing over there, gang?
Oh, we're doing good, Coach. We
Good.
got that nice pop. We broke above that 212, if you will. Once you're broke above 212, we went all the way up to 212.50. I'm
Good
up
job.
34% right now.
Good job. I know you guys don't have your live Apple chat, and nobody's talking about it. Don't let anybody talk about it anywhere. You guys have a room for that. So if you guys want the room to exist, you already know what to do. And if you don't want it to exist, sit there and be lazy ass. Am I right? I'll take care of you. Don't worry. Sit there. Just sit there. I'll take care of it. Eric, if we don't see all them comments lighting up that stock lounge, nobody's going to have it tomorrow either.
Yeah, we got to get these people to not to be lazy and support the channel.
I'm not asking anymore, right? This is a community, and you guys are supposed to be helping each other out. If you guys don't want to help me out, you're not going to have that channel. That's a freebie channel. I don't give a shit. Try it. I like it. I like it when people don't listen. Gives me an opportunity to flex. Try it. I dare you. Thank you. Thank you for being here.
It's not there anymore?
No, I shut it down. They couldn't follow the rules that David's asked them literally every single day. If they can't follow the rules, they don't get it.
Are you serious?
That's
Wow.
1,000,000%. Like 1,000,000,000% dead serious. Yep.
So you want us to post in the stock launch?
What has David asked you to do every single day?
He told y'all if y'all wasn't doing it,
Every
he's
day.
shutting it down.
Every day I've been
Told
saying
you
it.
all multiple times.
Every day I
Multiple
say it.
days.
Like,
I
is
heard
this
it.
new? Are you new? David asks
I mean, he
every
gave
single
y'all-
day. Every day he posts, I need you to do this. And like 2 people listen. So it's out of here.
Every day.
Every day. Every day, yes.
I'm not even in Apple chat, and I knew what he was talking about.
Yep. All right, still pulling back here. Who's still in this double top pullback, beautiful setup, collected off VWAP, bounced back up, look for re-entry. It's glorious.
Morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Sales posted on YouTube.
What's that? YouTube what?
I said sales are posted on YouTube.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
All right, just posted in the stock lunch. Here we go.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, listen, all you got to do is follow the rules and the channel will magically be back tomorrow. So, you know, the guy that's literally helped putting millions of dollars in your pocket, all you got to do is listen to him. That'd be great. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Waiting right here. Oh, waiting to see if we get this bounce. A little bit. It'll take a little bit.
It's in a tough spot.
Yep. Was looking to see if we get a pop there, but it's not. It's just sitting. Nope. I'll get out, reevaluate that. It's not running. It's dropping. I need
It's
to wait
right in the middle
now.
of the channel.
Yep, I gave back gains. I just gave back gains. I need to reset, see what it's going to do. This is not it's not a good spot. It's not an A+ setup. That was a forced trade, right?
Believe it or not, Coach, I'm still holding my SPY calls.
Yeah. Yep, still waiting. I just need to be a little more patient with this. Bounced off the 200. But every time it tries to spike up, it gets pulled back.
Apple is falling right now too, so be careful.
Yep, the whole thing is still it's in a weird spot. Waiting. SPY is now above this. I got in this just a second ago and it pulled off this candle too, though. I mean, it looks long here. And then the second it tried, it got wicked out, pushed right back down. Yeah, it cannot break this area. It just keeps playing here.
IWM, first 2-minute red.
Thank you.
CLIK halted to the top.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Apple pulling back on your 2-minute EWO. You guys are below VWAP. You're out. SPY trying to make a move again. Got a little bit better confirmation candles set up.
Still in SPY, Coach, and still in Apple.
Yep. SPY had a better confirmation set up there. See if that can stay.
Apple just rebounded a little bit on VWAP, but it's not quite there.
Right. Starting to get a bigger move here now on SPY, making a nice pop.
Double.
Just gonna take just taking the profit. Started to get greedy and told myself, you better not. Make the money, get in, get green, get out, right?
Yep.
Microsoft's looking good to the upside.
It's
I got 586.50 marked as a pretty strong resistance point too.
Yeah, 586.50 is our double top. Huge area up there. See it? Now it's pulling back on me again. Get that stop in there, right below VWAP, in case it wants to dance around in it.
Coach, links are not showing up again on TikTok chat. I don't know if you want to risk that.
Yeah,
with
no,
the sales.
Yeah, last time it blew the whole system up. Yeah, you guys will have to find a creative.
Pulling a little bit.
Yep, big time pulling. Look at that. Wow.
That's a puller, right?
Was a nice trade. Anybody get in that one?
Yeah. It's sitting on the 200 now.
Wow. Took that one for a
First
nice
red
ride.
EW on SPY.
Let's see if we can get a break through this 200, gang.
Coach, at 10, we got the commercial inventory numbers.
Thank you.
Okay, we bounded on the 200.
The bounce off the 200. I got greedy and tried to hit that early. That was the bounce off the 200. Everybody see it? It's testing this again. The 200, testing it again.
NVIDIA pulling hard.
Thank you.
That's the bottom.
Yeah, it keeps SPY keeps testing the 200, doesn't it, gang?
Tesla and low.
I'll just take this. Looking to see if this breaks the 200 on SPY, ladies and gentlemen. If it does, you already know what to do.
Come on, SPY, you want to.
Yeah, it keeps. Damn it. Every time I reset and get in there. Sitting on support. $200 is support. Everybody sees it, right?
585.03 was pre-market high a couple days ago.
Thank you. Yeah, this 200 is sitting right there. Just waiting this out now. Waiting to see if we get a flush on this 200 or not. Now remember, the better trade is to wait for it to break that 200, right? Don't do what the coach did and get in there early, right? Okay, good.
Coach, it's also on the bottom of your trend line.
Thank you.
Microsoft just flipped red.
Thank you. This is all over the place.
It's like the market is it's in a stall right now. It's not moving.
That's correct. I'm going to set in this hard stop just to protect in case it decides to supernova at some point. You guys know how sometimes it'll do that just out of nowhere, right? The hedge fund managers will come in and just scoop it all up. So I've set up in the event Waiting on this 200 still. Everybody wait for a break and hold, though. Don't try to get in early. Otherwise, you're going to sit here red like I am, just waiting for the move. Wait for it to be the A+ setup. I got in early. What's the next level of support after this breaks the 200, if it does? Anybody?
585.
Got 584.20.
584. Okay, so 584. Thank you. Just supernova.
Yeah, I have multiple level before that. You have 585, 584.60, and then 584. Because I'm on my line.
That's all right. It's over. It supernovaed off the 200. Do you guys see why you have to wait and be patient, right? What's the 200 considered in this situation? Anybody?
Support.
That's right. What do we do on support?
We buy.
We go long. So why was the coach in a
Balls on
short?
support.
So why was the coach in a short like a goofball?
Wanted to teach
Got in
us.
too early.
I don't know.
I got in
He
too
wasn't
early.
patient.
Too early.
He wasn't patient.
patient. That's right. Not patient. That's what happens. You don't want to be patient? You're going to pay the price, right? Sitting here on VWAP, I'm out. Tried to see if I could short it off of VWAP, and it didn't. It just kept on running. Now you've got confirmation upside. Everybody see it? Doing a lot of dancing in here. There's your trend line right there. Everybody see it on my screen? The same with SPY. See if we can get that pattern breakout or if it's going to sit below that and pull again, right? Apple still pulling 2-minute EWO. SPY, critical level. It's on this trend. Wait and see if this is going to break out here or not. Still pulling. Coaches, I'm on the wrong side of every trade today. That's 4 in a row, I think. 3 or 4 in a row now. Coach, come on, man. Got to be more
1
patient.
minute to check change.
Have to be more patient here. That's silly. Sitting on that trend line. Has to break that area to make that new high, right? There it goes. Starting to break out. See it? See it above the trend?
Yes. And I like that ooh, okay, coach. This is crazy today.
Yeah, it's a little wild in here. It's trying to figure out what it wants to do.
MNQ has tried to break VWAP, failed.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Apple is sitting on the 200, and then all the other are kind of choppy shop.
Apple's on its first 2-minute EWO indicator to the downside. Everybody see it? First 2-minute on Apple, downside. You guys made your money up. It broke and held through VWAP. You got out. Now you're getting ready to set up for downside. Yes? Okay, great. That's nice.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. SPY's still under that trend. It cannot break. It tried. Still fighting it. Apple, second 2-minute EWO to the downside. You guys are sitting on that 200 on the 2-minute EWO. See it?
1 minute to shift change.
Let's make sure you guys clear that out of there. Can you guys hear me, 2-minute EWO gang?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would
Back in the
wait
pre-market channel too.
Yeah, listen, I would
Yes,
wait
coach.
till you're below 210, break and hold below 210 before I enter that, okay? Seriously, that's too much right there, okay? It's too sketch at that spot.
Microsoft trying for new high today.
Oh, good. Cool. Yep, I see it. Microsoft is green.
Big change coming now.
Yep, shift change now, volume coming in. Still not a whole lot happening with SPY here. Oh, it spiked up and hit that double top resistance area. I missed it while I was looking at stocks. Did you guys see it spike up to the ceiling?
Yeah. It's okay. Nothing is really moving.
Goes, it's fighting. Here we go. We're back up in that double top area again. Now we're in a triple top for SPY. Everybody sees it up there. You're up on resistance, danger level. See if it keep running. A lot of volume in here. Nice, I'll take it. That's an $800 trade. I just had to be patient. You guys see me sit through that down 1,200 to an $800 positive?
Nice job, coach.
Yep. Now we're
Just a
all the
small
way in the
70% deficit I'm working on over here.
Yep. We're in the ceiling here, right?
We're coming up on a gold level and red to green.
Yes, sir. Yep, 587.50-ish is what we're looking for next. That's going to be close the day yesterday, gang, right? Getting real close.
If it breaks that, what's the next?
I do not have it. Give me one sec. See if this has got a little more. Shorting the ceiling. Oh, it's not giving me much. Shorted that. I wanted a faster pullback.
Coach, would you go long off the 9 here, or would you not just because of that red to green just right above you?
I don't know. We'll see what it does. Depends on the
That
momentum.
9 is barely above VWAP.
Yeah, I want to see all of this. Yeah, this is technically quad up here on the top. I shorted that. I wanted a little more out of it. 586.50, which is what we had all day yesterday. If it stays above that, I'll long it. But I need to wait. This is a resistance pullback range, right, gang?
Yes, sir.
Just being patient here now. Now I'm waiting for a good setup. Yes, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Listen, when you guys go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, if you click on pricing or scroll down, you'll see a button that says Other Products and Services. You will see all of our other services in there. Did everybody get help? Did we get any new OG Lifetime members or Diamond members we need to announce? Where are all my moderators at?
Coach, I started mine, but the market opened, so
Oh, I got
I
you.
had to jump over to go back.
I got you, partner.
Coach, my buddy Rockin' USA signed up yesterday for the lifetime premium.
Yes, good deal. Did you use your affiliate link?
I did, good sir. Oh my gosh, I can't thank you enough, buddy. That was
That's awesome.
yeah.
Good job. That's a quick what, $250 in your pocket immediately?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Nice job.
Thank you, Coach.
Now sell them a diamond and look at all the money you'll get. What is that? What is that? What's a diamond 30%? $12.50 in your pockets? Everybody in the room?
Uh,
I think so. Use those affiliates, gang. Right? Use those affiliates.
yeah, well, 1,500.
Is it 1,500?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah, $1,500. Yep. Somebody signs a diamond under your guys' affiliate. That's $1,500 immediately cash in your hand. Do that 10 times, you got yourself a freaking income. Am I right?
Buddy. And then you can fund your Webull account and then get into the futures.
That's right. That's right.
IXHL, a runner from yesterday's moving up again.
All right, thank you. Oh, I shorted this again, but in a bad spot. I should have waited just a little bit up in here, not here.
It's choppy today.
Yeah, I got just a little off here. It's done it 4 times in a row. You could have made money off that ceiling pulling back. Look at that. Do you guys see how it just keeps paying though, right? It hits the ceiling, pulls back. Hits the ceiling, pulls back. That's how you scalp it. Just keeps hitting this 9 off my NQ and bouncing. And unfortunately, I'm under it where I shouldn't be on the short. I should be up here on the short. Because if SPY's going to bounce, it's going to be at this 586.50 for support, right?
Yeah, and if you see VWAP's pretty flat, telling you this wants to be in consolidation.
Oh. There we go. Bleed out. You broke 586.50. Go nunites. There you go. Bye-bye. That's better. Go on. I'll take it. Nice. Who got in on that top when we shorted it again? Clockwork. Yes? Okay, good job. Good job. Oh, that's beautiful. Please tell me you guys shorted that on the ceiling with me, yes? Oh my gosh. Apple 2-minute EWO, you guys are still fighting the 200. You still haven't broke below the 210, right?
That's
Not
correct.
yet.
Waiting patiently.
Okay, good job. Good job. SPY with that beautiful pullback. There you go, Apple. You see it? That's where you want to be. That's nice, Apple. 2-minute EWO, gang. Oh, there goes the market pulling now.
Yep, still in it, coach. We have support right here at 209.60. It's tapping it right now. Needs to break and hold here. I'm
Good
up
job.
16%.
You guys are clear.
Over.
You guys are clear below 210, right?
Yep. It finally broke that 210.
Yep.
And it sucks, man. I've been sitting here like half asleep, waiting for it to break and hold, waiting for it to break and hold. I jump in on the 2-minute. But guess what?
There we
Patient
go.
pays.
There we go, gang. The whole market crashing out. Glorious. Again, who shorted that on the ceiling? Talk to me. You were trained on exactly what to do, where to do it, why to do it, how to do it. Tell me now. Come on, baby.
I didn't short until it broke VWAP.
Everybody, you knew exactly where to do it. Tell me.
I shorted it on the ceiling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
That's glorious. That's a whole payday right there. 1,000 contracts? Shit. That's $50,000 minimum. Minimum.
Unfortunately, I only had one, but I'll take it.
Yeah. If that was SPX contracts, 500 SPX contracts, that's $150,000, $200,000 right there. Good job. Good job.
If there were only one place.
That's right. Good job.
AmericanDreamTrading.com.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, if you guys are getting lag on TikTok, go to YouTube. Seriously, TikTok is so laggy compared to YouTube and everything else. Are we going to get this small bounce off this 200 for me? Bounced off my 200, not yours. Hit the 9, pull back, stuck. Now it's flat. Protecting myself with the stop. Yeah, this is just flat.
Yeah, ES has been choppy.
Everything has been choppy. Like, look at Tesla, it's choppy. Amazon choppy. Microsoft choppy.
Yeah,
Google flat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's wild. It's a wild ride today
very
for sure.
undecided.
Apple back to 210 level.
Yep. Crazy. Yeah, SPY is acting like it wants to continue here to this downside. But I've got to be patient. I've got my stop in. We'll see if it wants to bounce, because if it's going to bounce, it's going to be here, right? So this is why I've got it set for a bounce. It just hasn't, I mean, it's just stuck looking for a bounce. Waiting, still looking for a bounce. There's a small bounce. Come on, you got more, right? You gonna fizzle out? It's trying, it just can't get there. There we go. Come on, you got a little more in you. You got a little more juice. Come on, get up in there. That's the bounce I was looking for, but I need a little more out of it. Looking for a supernova spike right here. Ah, I couldn't hold. Come
Needs
on.
to break that view up.
That's right. And then if it holds this 9 and 21 here to have volume come in, but it can't hold. I could have took green right there, but I wanted to see that spike, so it did
Yeah,
bounce
NVIDIA just pulled back. That's why.
Yep, it did bounce where I wanted. It just didn't stay there. Look at Apple. Apple now above 210 over there.
You know what I've noticed in the last months? It's SPY is more reactive to NVIDIA than Apple sometimes.
All right, SPY, here we go again. We should get a spike. If it's going to stay here, you'll get a, there we go.
Huge green candle on Tesla right now. A lot of volume pouring in Tesla.
Yep, everything's moving the way we want. Come on. Why did
The
that
first 2-minute green on Tesla also, but it's coming up on a double top.
Oh, what the heck? I tried to move my stop above what I paid. It didn't take. It ran through me.
I was telling you guys, it's susceptible to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is pulling right now.
Yeah, this stays below VWAP. I'll short it this time. There it goes.
Extremely choppy right now.
Yep, see if it's got more down here. If it wants to come back to this 200, I'll let it. There it goes. Go on, keep going. You got a lot of room down there. So yeah, SPY's trying to get back to that damn 200 again. See it? Keep going.
Come here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Get down there.
Come on, Spy, let's go.
Yeah, it's trying. It's definitely set up. Set up right. Everything is pointing down there, but yeah, with as much as it's doing today, get in, get green, and get out, gang, right? I keep looking for these big, long pulls and all the beautiful, like, going for the swinging for the fences. The problem is I keep allowing my green trades to go red, and then I have to get out because they start to take on too much damage instead of, once they're green, taking my money and walking away and looking for the next setup, right? So when the market is super choppy and it's not giving you the momentum in one direction or the other, and you are a scalper, don't try to let those things, right? Like, oh, bleed and get to those good runs and let it keep. Don't, right? I've done it several times today where I could have just took the quick money, got in there, got out, reset up again, and instead I end up bleeding, losing money instead of taking the guaranteed green. Make sense?
It does, Coach. That's what was happening to me a lot yesterday.
Yep. Yeah, it's to take that money, get the hell out, look for the next setup. Now, if you guys were in my VIP, what did I say this morning? 1 to 5 seconds to get your head in there, right? 1 to 5 seconds. You're not going to have all that nonsense, will you? Yeah, see, and now this thing's running against me. Then I've got to get out. And then I'm pushing the ceiling. And then I'm like, well, I want to short it there. But the problem is, because now the momentum is going to that side, now it could actually break through. And then you're still in the short. And you're like, whoa, it could short off the top. And this is the problem, right? I have to cut my loss above 586.50 on SPY. It's my previous ceiling. Just trying to break through it on SPY. Sitting on that ceiling again. Apple falling down below 210. It's starting to work 210 again. Apple just kind of consolidating since 10 o'clock, right?
Yep, still in it, Coach. Still riding this Apple.
Just sitting there.
Coach, it looks like Tesla's on its second green EWO.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Coach, you're making a really good point to be really conservative on the EOs on a day like today.
Yeah, it's a little nutto, right? It's not really moving. There's not really momentum in one side to the other. At least the stocks we're looking at. It's really chop soup.
If it goes down, we've got some gaps on a lot of these stocks that are going to make this thing fire down, but for now, we're just consolidating.
Yeah. Yeah, the market wanted to collect, but PPI came out. You know what I mean? Like, this market would, I think, it would have had a nice, beautiful red day today if PPI wouldn't have come out the way it did. And now it's like, well, I don't know. What should I do, right? Everybody wanted to collect all that money. This thing's been running. Telling you. Now it's stuck in limbo. Apple's still just sitting at that 210. It cannot get away from that. It's like a magnet, right?
Coach, I'm in the same trade with you. Just waiting. First. Yeah, first. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yes.
Up there on that ceiling again. That's the only reason I'm even sitting here is because the $200 difference of me sitting in here is the difference between if it pulls off the top or not. In case you guys like, why in here is the difference between if it pulls off the top or not. In case you guys like, why are you sitting in it? Because literally this $200 to $300 difference of it hitting the stop or not is where I would short it again. Does that make sense?
Yep, I'm with you, Coach.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
yeah, it's a tough
Makes
spot.
total sense to me. That's why I'm in it still doing the
Yeah.
same thing.
But unfortunately, we shouldn't be in a spot like this. You shouldn't get into
I
a
know.
spot that forces
I
you
know.
to have to anticipate a pullback and all. We should be set up for the next spot up top to short it again, not be sitting here, right?
Yeah.
So the
Yeah,
lesson,
but it's my last trade. I have no more buying power. I'm
the
done.
lesson on this
So-
one is the second it broke VWAP, which was right here, I should have got out. Make sense?
Yep,
TikTok went down, coach.
Yeah,
me too.
that's the discipline we're working on every day.
Yep.
Otherwise, the reward should be like 3 times, or 2 or 3
Yes.
times.
Yeah, exactly. And now I've got
Yeah.
nothing, right? Because even if this
It's
comes
there.
back, now I'm on the bottom.
Wait.
It's barely gonna go flat, right? To get to here
I didn't know what
again.
you were in. When you said it, it made me not feel so bad about myself.
No, God, no.
Thanks.
But hey, this is why I tell you, do not mirror or mimic people's trades. Trade on your own, right? This is because if I make
Oh,
a
and I
mistake,
didn't.
yeah, if I make a mistake,
Yeah.
I don't want people to be like, "What the frick?"
Yeah, because then you're
What are you
risking
doing?
1,500 to make like 700 or 600 or 1,000.
Yeah.
That's not a.
And if you
All
aren't
right.
able to,
I think
yeah.
it's gonna break.
And listen,
it
if
happens
you're
to me a
not
lot.
able, and if you're not able to hold it through that, here's the problem. Watch. So if I go through all all this pain, it's got to come all the way back to here, which was already the biggest level of support for me to barely break even, right?
That's right.
This is the dumbest trade you could be in.
Yeah, we got to stick to our rules.
Seriously, there's not
I
even
think
any
it's gonna
meat
come
on
out. It's
this.
gonna break.
I have to go through all this pain
To break even.
to make $10. This is
Yeah, that doesn't
stupid,
make sense.
right? It's a dumb trade. Stupid
Well, we
trade.
shut it off and we move on.
Don't
I
go
hate
rogue.
it.
So again,
Give it up, coach.
So again, what you do is you do exactly what I've done since I've already screwed it up. You don't kill it here. That would be dumb again. You'd have another stupid trade because if this is where I'm supposed to short it, right? Why would I kill it when I'm supposed to short it here? It's just, again, the whole thing was stupid because now I got to sit through all this pain for it to pull back. It's a dumb trade.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's why I did it, for you guys not to ever do that. Okay, good job.
Oh, thanks, Coach.
You're welcome. That's a
I'm being
good,
like you a little too much today, Coach.
yeah, it's a good training
Good lesson. That's
session.
why I did it too.
Today.
So you guys could see someone in pain too
Yeah,
doing
it's a,
it. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
it's a
why.
good,
Also the cause.
good training
I'm bleeding.
session.
I am
Yeah,
bleeding.
here it comes though.
horribly
It's coming
today.
down.
So anyways, yeah, it was dumb. So now I got to go through all this crap to break even. Stupid. Stupid trade.
What's even stupider is going back to where you're down like $10 and you're like, let me see what happens.
Yeah, and then it'll bounce
Yeah,
supernova,
you
go
gotta get to the
against you
break even.
again, put you in the same hurt again, right?
Down like 3K.
Yep.
That's that whole, let me make it to my goal. I got like $5 more or whatever to get there.
It's true
Yep.
though. Here we go.
She goes. It is true.
Here
There
we
it
go.
goes.
Pay attention, Christina. You're gonna
Oh, I am.
all right, pay
I'm ready.
attention.
I got my finger on the button.
All right, pay attention. Like I said, it was a dumb trade. I had to go through all this stupid pain for zero reason at all. Made 0 sense to be in that trade. Dumb. Moving my stop above this 9 now, which is the last level. See it? So I'm not going to put myself back through $500 more of pain to go to the ceiling again. Now I'm moving it as if I had taken the trade here, right? Now, as long as we can sit down in this area, now I'll move my stop above VWAP. Because if it goes against me, now I'll have only taken half the damage. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to move down to candle high here, lowering my risk. Now I'm going to go tight because the bounce off the 200 is where it would normally bounce off of my screen. Now what I'm doing is I'm mitigating damage all the way on the way down as if I was trading this. Now I'm moving above the 200 just like I would if it was going to do anything else. That way, if it spikes up, I will now have taken barely any damage at all on the trade. Fully recovered from the trade from being an idiot. And then in my journal, I'm going to write on there, yeah, that was stupid. And then I'm going to put, why was that stupid?
Hello, God, it's me, Chad.
Right? Yeah. That was just dumb, right? Again, I'm set up here because if it's going to spike, it's going to be off this spot. Boom, I'm out. Now I turned an absolute losing garbage trade into nothing. No damage.
It's almost break even.
Yep. Yeah, lost $250 on the trade instead of $1,200. But so the only good thing that came out of that was the training lesson about I was an idiot up here. But again, why would I reset right here when this is where I'm supposed to short? Makes sense?
Depends if you want to suffer a little bit more.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. It makes
Right.
a lot of sense.
Right? And that's why I was able to get all of this back.
Yep.
Good job, coach.
Yeah, but it was dumb. But there was just literally, the only saving grace, and I tell you guys, SPY is like a clock. Let me show you. This is what I mean when I say this, right? It's going to go up to 12 o'clock, down to 6 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock, down to 6 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock, down to 6 o'clock, just like a clock, right?
Coach,
So as
isn't
long,
it that?
yep. So as
Isn't that
long,
what you talked about yesterday?
yeah,
I'm
that's what I
sorry.
talk about every day. Yeah, the clock. When I say SPY is a clock,
Yep.
this is the clock. Can you guys see it? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Makes sense?
Yep.
Yep.
12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So if you're patient and you've got the fortitude and you're not being a bonehead like the coach, right?
Oh,
I
yup.
didn't realize TikTok was down. Nobody told me. I'll just kill
Well,
it.
Coach, the old saying, what's the use of being a DS unless you can prove it once in a while?
Yeah, I mean it was great for training, but stupid trade.
Here's what I waited for.
We
Yeah.
learn and we move on.
Yep. And now you're on the 200 though, Christina. See it on the bottom?
Yep. I'm out.
Good job. You fully recovered, right?
Yeah, I made $20.
There you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Now,
Whew.
Christina,
Yes.
how much would you have lost up there on that ceiling?
$60.
So you guys hear that? The take was lose 60 or make 20. That's the opposite of what we're trying to do, right?
Well, no, if I could have made more if I stayed, but I don't want to
I
stay
get
now.
it. I get it.
Yeah.
We're doing training.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Everybody in the
The risk
room.
that we were, or risk that we were was the
Yes, isn't
opposite.
that what we
Yeah.
talked about yesterday? Was our risk to reward?
Yeah, when you drew that box, I had my
Yep.
yeah,
So good training
that was
moment.
great.
I'm glad you made it all back and did all the things. But everybody, right? That's why. Listen, I'm in the room all day. I mean, I've been doing this for 3 decades. I train literally the world's greatest stock market traders that the world has ever seen, and I still do dumb shit. This is why I tell you guys, a single lapse of judgment can blow everything up, right?
Yeah.
One lapse of judgment. Now think about it. What if I would have went in heavy? What if that was $1 million trade?
Oof.
Right? One lapse of judgment. One time. Account wrecked. You don't get to have a lapse in judgment. We need to stay laser focused. You understand me?
Absolutely.
100%, coach.
Yep. Stay focused. This is a bounce spot, by the way, as I'm talking.
Yeah, Apple's showing some strength, but it's about to hit VWAP.
Tesla is again on the double bottom.
Yeah, this didn't let me set my stop. I got out right away. It showed me green, couldn't do it.
The market is very undecided today.
It is, but that's all right. We can take advantage of it. Everybody in this room knows how to take advantage of it. Looking for these key setups, right? Everybody on the top, short on the bottom, long breaks through, flip, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Remember yesterday for an hour straight, I gave this training. I said, stop making it complicated, right?
You did, coach. Patience. Patience to get in and out.
Yes. I'm just looking for SPY to bounce off this 200 right here. This is all I'm looking for. This breaks through, I'll short this, right?
Yes, sir.
If Tesla pull, we might have a chance at that.
Otherwise, if I wanted to long this, I could. I would put my long and then put my stop just below here. Right? But it's already done that bounce. So now if you're looking at doing it, right? You're a little late to the party. What do I mean by that? Well, it's already done it 1, 2, 3, and now we're on the 4th time, right? Minute. Take it. Remember, indecision market. Get in, get green, get out. Yes?
Base hits.
Yep, that's what I should have been doing. Goofing around. Looking to, oh, I'm going to make 10 grand off this trade. Stop being stupid. Now look at that. If I would have got into that trade, held on to it, looking for the home run, now I would be red. I wouldn't have made 200. I would now be down 200. Make sense? Look at that. It's still technically a bounce on the 200 for support. This is on the 200. It still hasn't broke through and held, has it?
No, but as long as it stay under the 9, I think it looks good.
We'll see, but I ain't playing that game.
Yep. No, I know what
Yep.
you mean, but I mean for people who were on the call, well, on the put way earlier than that, you
Here we
know,
go.
since the
Here we
ceiling.
go. Here we go. Here we go. See if we can get heavy off that.
Going.
Nope. Hit the exact same spot and it stopped. So right here,
NVIDIA is forming a triple bottom right now.
This is support, gang. Right there. You see it?
Yep, it's trying to ride the bullish side of that double bottom.
It is. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my stop here, and I'm going to go here. This is the channel, right?
Yep.
Moving this
This
tight.
is going down right now. It's pulling.
Yeah.
It's not. It's maintaining. It's not pulling.
It's right.
Yeah.
Solid support at the candle at 9:53 this morning.
Yep. It's just sitting here. Yep. Now we have to be very patient, right, Paul?
Yep. It's almost like it's moving, holding, moving, holding.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
It's,
And the problem now is that the 9 is squeezed in right here with the 200, and we've got support at 585.34. So it could either supernova spike, which is this is actually considered off this 200, or we want to see it pull below this 584.34, and I'll short the hell out of it.
Yeah, they're having no problem holding the upside either, so they could easily just decide to put this back above VWAP.
Oh yeah, because look at how many times it's already went all the way on the on the clock again. It's already done like 4 times today.
Yep. And once they get it there, they're really not having much of a hard time holding it there either.
Nope. Yeah, they're pretty much in control of this today. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
It's that dang PPI being good.
That's what I said, because they wanted to sell it all. And they're like, well, I don't know, though. Because notice it was red in the pre-market, right?
You called the bounce. Look at that, coach.
Yep, absolutely. 585.34, right? Yeah, this is a weird day.
These are some of the most difficult days to trade.
They are.
No doubt about it.
Yeah, they really are. These are really challenging. These will
A gentle
test
trend
you.
with a ton of chop.
Yes.
Yep.
No momentum. It doesn't want to show itself. It takes really long and it moves too quick. Like it doesn't go in one direction for a while. It's just, it's harder. Definitely harder. And that's why I said though today, right? Get in, get green, get out. Don't get in, go red, hang out. Right?
Amen, brother.
Yeah, that's what you don't want to do. And I've done it. You guys saw me do it a couple minutes ago, right?
I did it a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like,
yeah, you get in
I'm
there.
like,
You're
well,
like, why?
Yeah, fortunately, when it's like this, it's like if you're a little bit on the backside, you can usually wait it out for half a second and get a pull in your direction and bounce out of it. But
Yep. Just because it'll do the clock thing again. Now here we are at VWAP, okay? So now we want to see if this is going to push through and then go right back to 586.50, or are we going to pull back to the 200 again?
Walmart's in a 2-minute EW.
Did everybody see why I did not short it at 585.34, what me and Palm were talking about in that spot? Right?
Yeah, because he hang out too long.
Yeah, and it's a dangerous spot. We had the 9 closing in on the 200, moving into the 585.34, and I already said if it's going to bounce, it's going to be off the 200. It never broke and held at all below the 200. Therefore, technically, that is a bounce off the 200 back to VWAP, right? Textbook.
Yep.
That's going to go back to the 9.
Yeah, and now we would be shorting it off of VWAP.
VWAP back to the 9.
Yep, and then we would collect right there. And then if it pulled below the 9, I would short it again. Otherwise, I would look to see if it bounces back to VWAP. But as long as they stay too tight, I don't want to trade that that 9 to VWAP space. That's too tight.
Yeah.
That's just way too tight. But I would have shorted VWAP back down because I can get out immediately if it popped above VWAP. So my risk was small and my reward was all the way back to the 200. Make sense?
Yep.
Yep.
So it would have
And
been,
that's still a little bit more risk too, because that was only 3 candles, and we could have had a confirming candle above VWAP too.
yeah, yep, absolutely, I agree. Yep.
Caught the bounce going up. 11 days green. Green every day this month.
Oh, are you?
Trying to keep it up. Yep.
Oh my gosh, great job. So what has changed? Why are you consistent right now? What's going on?
Well, it's like I said yesterday,
Uh-huh.
my patience practicing is in waiting for the right moment for me. It's,
Get in,
I
get
missed
green,
a
get
couple
out.
of good I missed a couple of good opportunities this morning, but it's don't jump in, just wait and let something come to you.
Yep. Good. Great job.
Thank you.
Good training yesterday. Did you see everybody thanking you yesterday?
Yep.
All right, we're
Apple
on.
just went from VWAP to the upside.
Yep, absolutely. I see it.
And then VDA bounced back from his triple bottom, so it had momentum for the upside for SPY.
Yep. Get in, get green, get out. Remember, it's not get in, go red, hang out.
That was the story of my life last year. I had to learn not do that. Fight with my own bias in my head.
Look at Apple over there, right? Remember we were talking about that 210 level. It got down to 209.50, fully spring loaded. And now it's in a 2-minute EWO to the upside and above VWAP, right?
Yep, coach. I'm up 16.83%. I jumped in that 2-minute Evo carefully towards the upside, and now we're just need to break and hold above 211.30.
Nice. Let's review the stock lounge and see if we got any Apple chats going on. Hold on. Yep, I see it. There's another one. There's
I've
4.
stressed it to you, Coach. The value of the VIP Gold is amazing, and the fact that I really miss it that I'm not in there. And if you're in there, like I was every day, I was posting, and you need to.
Yep.
You need to promote it because it's a great thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, looks like we have enough. I am going to unlock it right now. Hold on one moment. We are unlocking the live Apple chat.
Let's go.
Please.
I mean, we went nuts on the stock lunch.
Please let everybody know if you like the live Apple chat that's in this little beta testing extra thing. You must let the world know. Okay, let's see. This is gold members, isn't it? Gold, VIP Gold Lifetime, VIP Gold Complete, Diamond, unlocked. Holy crap.
Yes, we're alive.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Carter.
Yeah, welcome back. Oh my gosh. Mark's over there going crazy again. I'm asking if I can get permission to let you know what he's made again. He's just, my man became a millionaire. He's not messing around anymore. He's making like his old 9-to-5 salary every other day. I just love it. I told you guys though, right? Once you become a good trader, the money will come. Then it just turns into position sizes, right, Palm?
Yes, sir. I mean, it's just proportion, right? It's in direct proportion. The trades increases, the money comes.
That's right.
But if you don't have the trading down, I mean, if you don't have the trading down, the losses come to proportion too.
Yeah, if you can't make $20, you're not going to make 2 million, right?
That's right.
So
Yeah, just ingrain proper trades, proper entries, proper loss mitigation.
That's right. All right, you guys want to
Over and
know?
over.
You guys want to know what Mark's made today?
Let's go.
Yeah, buddy.
So
Yes,
check it
sir.
out.
Go.
So the market has been open for an hour and 17 minutes. Mark is now remember, Mark just started this $700 futures account in the end of October, so it's been 6 months. Today, with that $700 account, he's made $40,035.
Nice.
40,000 today off of that $700 account. That means in the last 2 days, that's over 100,000, by the way. 2 days. So when you're like, oh,
Yeah,
$1 million, he's churning out his income every other day now. His old income, right? Every other day.
He's scaling up beautifully.
Oh, he is. He's at 30 contracts now, dude. 30 ES contracts now.
It's only 10:48, Coach. She's got all day to go.
Think about it. He started micros, 1 micro contract, which is a $1.25 move at a time. Then he did 3, finally got to 10, so he could do 1 mini. Then he moved from 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Then he started doing 10 minis a lot. Now he's doing 30. But what did I say, though, right? Once you can trade, then you just scale up, right?
That's it. Push the envelope a little at a time.
Yeah, and think about it. Now that he's comfortable, this is the crazy part. This is the part that is absolutely bonkers. Once he gets comfortable with 30, he'll be doing 50, and every day will be over 6 figures every day. Right? Nothing will have changed other than how many positions he's going in with. This is why my traders can go from literally making $20 to $30 a day to having 7-figure days per day, right? Not exaggerating. That's why, though, nobody else in the world has ever done that. Has anybody else heard of anybody that's doing these type of numbers ever? Especially when they've never traded before. Has anybody ever, anywhere, ever? Just give me one. I just want one. One. Never. Here, let me help you out. Never.
Mark says to look at your DM.
Got it. Oh, never mind. He's at 50,000 now. 50,000. By the way, it took 11 minutes for him to make 10 more thousand. You hear me?
No, I think he was saying he's doing 50 contracts.
No, I think he's at 50,000. I think. Hold on one sec, gang. Hold on.
We got a grilled chicken at Jersey Mike's, so I got a chicken club sandwich from Smoky Griddle. Yeah. It comes with chips. I got some honey mustard on the side in case it's not wet enough.
Okay, love you. I got to do mentorship here in 10 minutes. Love you. Kiss. Love you. Thank you.
You too. Want me to take your other trash? Any other trash?
Oh, this. If you want to take all, I always just throw it away when I'm done. I can always just throw it away. I mean, that's all right. Love you. I'm still live.
All right, love you.
Love you. Sorry, gang. I'm back. Everybody still here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, coach.
You know what it reminds me of? So this, not to get sidetracked, but when I used to own my own, I had a chain of retail computer stores, right? Service centers. I had 5 of them. But when I started that, I was working, round the clock. I would work all day at my network engineering clients, and then I would go back to my computer store and work on any systems that were dropped off throughout the day. And my wife used to do exactly what she just did. She would come up to the store and either bring me food or sit down, and I'd have a TV in the back, and she would, wait while I'm eating dinner, and we'd watch a show or a movie or whatever. And then she'd take off and go home, and I'd continue to work. It's the same thing, right? She literally just brought me lunch as I'm sitting in my Cybertruck at the park. Then she takes off. It's just like it's like old days, right? It's like startup days. It feels like it's kind of exciting. Not gonna lie,
nice.
I like the building years.
You have a great wife.
Thank you.
And you love her so much. You're so cute.
Thank you. It's just cool. Yeah, she doesn't get mad that I'm not like sitting at the home office and all that crap. She's like, do whatever you want, wherever you want to. I mean, I'm literally in a park in my truck, and everybody's like, why are you doing that? It's because I don't want to sit at home, right? Not every day, all day. It's beautiful outside, right? I get the best of both worlds. I can be outside. I can be in the vehicle that I absolutely love and worked my ass off to get. Right? I've got all my technology, which is another, super nerdle part of myself, which I love being surrounded by all this nerdle crap. Right? I'm in the fresh air because I used to hunt and fish every damn day. Like, you know what I'm saying? I get the best of all of it. I got a hot wife, bang, bang. You know what I mean? Do the things. And I got a super big goal. What more do you want out of this life, ladies and gentlemen? Am I right?
You're living the life.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah.
Bang, bang,
Living
bang.
the life, baby.
Bang, bang.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
That's the good stuff.
Oh, he said 50 contracts.
That's what I was going to say.
Yeah, he's doing 50 contracts now. Holy crap. Yeah, he's doing 50 contracts now. Nice job. You're right, Eminem. Sorry about that. 50 contracts.
That's okay. I have the other Zoom on my phone, so I heard him tell me to anyway.
Yeah. That's beautiful. I love it. Good job. Oh, we got a nice spike here. I see we're above VWAP. Did anybody get it when it broke here? I know it's been kind of topsy-turvy, weirdo, garbagey, but how's the live Apple chat going? Are you guys all back over there? Is all well in the world? You guys are not mad at the old man again?
Thank you, coach. You're the best.
Thank you, coach.
Loving voices. That's
All
hilarious.
tough love, coach.
Yeah. It's like when you get it's like when my football players would do some stupid stuff, and I'm like, guess what? You guys are going to be track stars today. Who signed up for track?
It's like taking Christmas away.
Yeah, I'm like, who signed up for track on this football team? Let's run, baby. Right? Here we go. Let's run it.
I'm sure the linemen love that.
It's track day.
Linemen hate running.
Oh my gosh, I know, right? Terrible. Terrible. Anyways, thank you, gang.
So there's kind of a three-part channel, and Spy has been here before. From 587, then 586.31, 585.52, and 584.76.
Yep.
And when it gets in there, it seems to work 1/3, 2/3, or all of that channel within a day. And sometimes it'll work 2/3 of it, sometimes it'll work 1/3 of it. And today it's just kind of in the center of it. And it's testing one side, testing the other, but it's still in that three-part channel. It doesn't want to break out of it this morning.
Yeah. Now this is hilarious. I'm gonna publicly put this out here so that nobody else thinks you're gonna run your mouth to me. And I need you all to understand how this is gonna play out, and you're gonna get smoked. So yesterday, when I said, hey, I'm turning that live Apple chats, right? It's going offline. And Mark posted too, right, over in the VIP futures, like, hey man, if you guys like this, just talk about it. That's all I asked. There are hundreds of people over there. You're telling me 5-10 people can't be like, hey, this is awesome today. Thank you, David. Thank you, Mark, right? I'm not asking too much. So yesterday he posted that. Well, guess what one of our members thought would be smart to say? Before I refunded his account, showed his ass to the door, and he got banned. Let me tell you what he said. And so that nobody else does it again ever, because I will smoke your soul. This is my company. I will run it the way I want. You ready? And then wonders why I did it and why I publicly said it. So here you go. If you guys publicly state anything in any of my channels, I will publicly dismantle you. Do you understand? If you want to open up a ticket and we'll have a private conversation, we can do that. But if you're going to go into my public forums, right, and try to say something stupid, I will publicly dismantle you. All right, we're all on the same page so far, right? I mean, that's a little give and take. Am I right?
Yes, coach.
Okay, good.
Absolutely, coach.
So you guys tell me if I was wrong. This was the feedback we got. That's a bit too Jones-Townsy for me. People contribute more when they're inspired, not guilt tripped. Anybody? Is that
I didn't understand nothing.
right? Like, of course you're gonna get hit with the ban hammer, right? So instead of initiating a conversation, personally, I like you publicly stated this, right? This wasn't you asked me. You publicly stated how it's Jones-Townsy for us to ask the community to support each other. Am I right?
Yep.
And then he had
What
the
a
nerve.
dick.
Yeah, it's like
It's terrible.
it's like overstepping the sales manager in a sales call. You're
it's
supposed to
just
look at your sales
stupid.
manager and not deal with the other person.
It's just dumb. And then he said, this is deeply unprofessional. Listen, if you're going to talk about our group being Jones-Townsy, by the way, this is a brand new member. They've been there 2 months. He came here. He's been here 2 months, right? And comes in running mouth like this. It's not even like somebody we know. It's been around and it like has been and breathed and lived inside of this community and how that we operate and the way that we take care of each other and fundraising and support and health and like all the things, and pulls out some Jones-Townsy garbage and then says I'm deeply unprofessional coming from someone in a leadership position. Listen, gang, just so it never comes up again, if you say anything publicly, I'm going to destroy you publicly. If you reach out to me in a ticket, I have no problem having a conversation with you. But if you try to make myself, my company, a moderator, anybody feel stupid in here, I will hand your ass to you. You will be crying in a fetal position and wonder what happened right as the train runs over you. That's called real life with real adults. Am I right?
Yeah, they just don't know how to read a room. That's what's going on.
You're right, Coach. We've always been able to ask you what you
Dumb.
think or what you feel about anything.
That's just silly. I mean, if you guys would, hey, we could have a conversation about it. I can tell you how that conversation's going to go, but we can have a conversation.
He obviously
about it.
didn't fit in. We didn't want him anyway. He didn't
That's
fit
what
in.
I'm
He wasn't.
saying.
He wouldn't have been. Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't belong here.
Yeah, and one
The
of my
trash took itself
moderators.
out.
So exactly. So he got washed out. So one of my moderators sent me a message, that originally sent it to me and said, hey, look at this. And then, they apologized. Sorry. I'm like, they don't apologize. I don't want their money. If you're a bad apple, you will be a bad apple forever. And your money is garbage, right? That's Satan's cash. I don't want it. Get the hell out of here, right? Bye.
I got kicked out for a second. What did he say, Coach? Sorry about that.
Nothing. He was just running his mouth about the way I had to turn off the Apple chap.
Bye, Felicia.
You did the right thing, Coach. That guy's imaginary friends played with other kids.
Yeah.
Yep.
Exactly. I mean, it's okay to have disagreements. You
Yeah.
have to do it privately. You're right about that.
Yeah, if you guys publicly come at me, I gotta publicly have a statement, right? Double top Apple, quad top Spy. Everybody hear me?
10-4.
Thank you. It's 11 o'clock. We got to do mentorship program. Do you want to do it, Palm, or you want me to do it?
A coin toss. You can whatever you like.
Completely up to you. If you're in mad trading or trading mode, I don't want to interrupt you.
No, I'm not in mad trading mode. It's like I'm just gonna wrap this one up. I'll jump over.
All right, awesome. All right, all of you mentorees, you're gonna get trained by literally one of the best stock market traders the world has ever seen. Now, how often do you get to say that? I mean, that's really cool for me, by the way, to be able to say that, but you're literally, let me get your head real big, Palm. Let me pump this thing up real quick. Hold on a minute. It's like them Reeboks air pumps. You guys remember that? Right?
Yep.
Seriously, he is literally one of the best stock market traders the world has ever seen before. You guys will get to work with him right now. Head over to that mentorship program. Thank you, Palm. Appreciate you. Love your face.
Love you too, Brad. I'm headed over. Bye.
Yep, no worries. Apple, do you guys see that pullback?
Yeah, coach, I collected at the 211.88 area. I saw that double top. I saw a lot of traffic on the left-hand side. Went ahead and collected at that 30% area. I only have 2 runners now,
Nice
waiting
job.
for it. My outskis is below VWAP, if you will. I rolled that 2-minute perfectly all the way up, patiently.
Nice. Are we back in the live Apple chat and everybody's conversing again?
Yep.
Okay, good. Thank you,
We
guys.
are, coach. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, listen, hopefully we just never have to do that again, right? So everybody like, oh, you're taking stuff away. We paid for a service. Stop. These services can come and go at any time I want. Don't be all
What does it take?
mad.
You took the candy away from the babies. That's what happened.
Everybody be cool, right? Now look at all
What
the
does it take?
conversations we're having over there. And I've said it 100 times and I kept saying, hey, just communicate. Just let us know. This thing costs a lot of extra money. I don't know if you guys know that or not. I pay a lot of extra money to have that room running. I'm telling you right now, there's a lot that goes into that room. And if you guys are like, oh, I'm not going to say anything. I paid for much. You didn't get nothing.
Spy double top, coach.
Thank you.
It doesn't take much, but to post, say something about what we're learning there.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
mean, we have David, we have Eric, we have the whole team, and you and everybody. All we got to do is say, "This is what I learned. This is what happened today. Thanks," and move on, and it'll happen.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm not asking you to write a love letter every day. It's just like, hey, made some money in the Apple chat. Hey, the Apple chat was awesome. Hey, thank you, David. Hey, thank you, Eric. Hey, thank you. I mean, it's not hard. You're just thanking them.
And
Appreciate it.
Spice finally running.
It
Look
is.
at that thing.
It is. It broke that top. I just made a couple bucks. Made 300 off that trade. Broke the top and ran. Good job, everybody. Good job. Oh, next week. Friday. I don't think I'm going to be here next Friday. We're going back to be here normal, but I'm almost positive that my wife said we were leaving in the morning. But I'll be back regular time. You guys know that Monday there's no market, right? Okay, good.
You broke up bad, coach.
Mondays there's no market, and I don't think I'll be here next Friday. We'll be going to Virginia Beach, right?
What's going on next Monday? No market?
Yeah, Memorial.
Oh, already?
Yep.
Jeez.
Yep. Crazy,
No,
right?
that's a week from Monday.
Hate that.
Is it a week from Monday? All right, thank you. Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah, because it's next Friday we're leaving. So yeah, a week from this Monday, not this Monday, the next Monday. Yep.
Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, wait, what?
Yeah, no, that's why I said I won't be here the next
I'm like,
Friday.
what did I miss a week?
Dude,
Yeah.
I love that you and your wife are getting some QT. You know what I mean?
Yeah, she actually forced this one on me. I was like, we just left. She's like, no, we're going to go again. She saw that I started to get cagey. I'm like a caged animal.
Again, you just got caged. You just got back.
Well, that's what I told her that. I'm like, yeah, I told her that. I'm like, I don't need to go. We just went. She's like, no, you're going. I'm like, okay.
Well, that's awesome.
And then for my birthday, literally on my birthday, we're flying out to New York again. So it's like 2 weeks type of thing.
Dude,
I'm
she's
like,
trying to get some travel time, man. That's
bang,
awesome.
bang. Yeah, she's after the old man. Yep, she wants some
coming out of that introvertism.
Yeah, she's chasing me around like damn high schooler. She just I don't.
Bang, bang, bang.
Is she in heat?
It's this
Coach,
damn.
is she in heat?
It's this damn gray beard. Ugh.
It is. Ever since you grew it out.
I know it. She won't leave me alone. Keep her hands off me. She won't keep her hands off the old man.
Damn silver fox.
The other silver fox. Yep. The old man loses a couple pounds, goes gray beard, and
it's on and popping. Bang, bang, bang.
I gotta lock myself in rooms at the house. You know what I'm saying?
So your daddy mentality you got, coach.
Yeah. Like, please leave me alone. Don't. Please don't stop.
Stop teasing, Daddy. Stop it.
Stop.
You lying.
Oh, you guys are terrible. Love your faces, all of you.
Love
I'm
your face, coach.
so glad we have this Jones Townsy community together that we can share in our information.
Yeah.
We're all drinking
Hey,
Kool-Aid.
Coach,
It's so
we should
quaint.
we should make an extra T-shirt.
Go ahead.
I'm just bummed, Coach, that the Hale Pop comet isn't coming for another 2,000 years.
I know it. Yeah, it's, well, ADT comment might be coming. I don't know. You know what's even funnier about that is Mark's always posting that Kool-Aid, that purple Kool-Aid. Drinking the Futures Kool-Aid. He's always doing that. So it just it's perfect, right? Love it.
That's why I said that. I'm like, okay, he probably is just biting off of Mark's Kool-Aid comments.
Correct. Yeah, thought he was being intelligent, even though we've been, ourselves posting it on the daily, thought he was being, I don't know, slick. No.
And Coach,
His segue was inappropriate.
To be fair to Kool-Aid, it was actually Flavor Aid.
Yeah. Brought to you by Walmart's generic Kool-Aid. That's
The
cool.
worst company PR crisis that wasn't caused by them, right?
Yes. All right, it's 11:08. I'm gonna eat this chicken sandwich. I told you guys, I told my wife, I'm like, my stomach is so upset. I said, I gotta have some protein here. I'm dying over here. So my hero, right, brought me this with my super big gulp. My stomach has been so bad today. I'm gonna take some time here real quick, relax for a moment. Listen, love your faces. I appreciate all of you being here. You guys are absolutely amazing. Live Apple Chat members, don't beat the old man up. Literally, all I'm asking is for support. That's all it is. It's not like he's going to take it away forever. He hates us. He's a terrible human being. Stop. You'll be all right. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses. I know I'm out of order. And all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. And thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. Appreciate everybody being here again. If you guys want to take advantage, do we need to announce anybody? Did anybody get the OG or the diamond? Remember today, 5 people today. If you get the diamond, we're going to throw in the one-on-one with the mentor. That is a $500 value. It looks like Decker got the OG lifetime. Trent got the OG lifetime. Jonathan, that's a renewal. I don't see any diamonds. Austin or Andrew, brand new crypto membership, or that's renewal. Sorry, not sure. I think that's it.